Hi, welcome to Bela Fashion. How can I help you?
I want to buy a lady's jacket. It's getting cold.
Oh. We have a huge collection. Come with me, please. Here the yellow one and one red one.
Yellow one, please.
Both will be perfect for you. Also comfort to move.
Looks lovely. How much it is?
It is 2,000 taka.
I see. Not too bad in price. Can I try it on?
Of course, why not?
Thanks.
Our fitting room is in the corner of the showroom. Please.
Okay.
How is this, ma'am?
It is a bit small for me. Do you have a bigger size?
Yes, that is small in size. I will get the medium size. How about the color? Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. It looks very nice on me.
Good to hear that. Now I will get the perfect one. Here it is.
I will go try it. Thanks.
How is it now?
I love it. I will take this one. Please pack it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You can make your payment to our cash counter.
Okay. Thanks again. Bye.
You're welcome.